Howdy y'all, this here's Butch Rodgers coming at you from Sutherland Smoke House. Ever wondered how we smoke up them Texas-style beef ribs? Well, first you need to start early. Alright, now what we got here's a fine-looking beef rib. You want to ask your butcher for a cut from the plate, ribs 6, 7, and 8. Them right there's the famous Dino Ribs, the big old ones you see on the TV. Take a good look at your ribs, partner. See what you've got to work with. Every rack's a little different, so size it up before you start slicing. You can score the membrane if you like, or just leave it be. It'll help hold them ribs together while they cook low and slow. You want to trim off any loose bits from them ribs, the ones just hanging there, they'll just burn up and turn nasty. Take a good look at the fat cap. Most times on ribs it's already been trimmed, but if not, shave it down and get rid of that silver skin while you're at it. Now, most folks like to use a binder at this point, something wet to help that rub stick real nice to the ribs. Some folks will tell you you don't need it, but it sure don't hurt to add a little extra flavor. Go on and grab your favorite binder. Folks used to stick with mustard or a bit of hot sauce, but these days, Worcestershire's making a name for itself. Looking for that bold bayou flavor? Try our Louisiana-style chili sauce from Sutherland Smoke House. We ship it worldwide. Just head to SutherlandSmokehouse.com. Now, go on and smooth that binder all over them ribs. Not too much now, just a nice even coat, no dry spots. And don't you forget them edges neither. Now we're getting serious. Time to apply the rub. Good old Texas-style salt and 16 mesh black pepper. That's it. Nothing fancy, just the truth. Go on now, press that rub into the meat nice and firm. Don't go rubbing it around, just push it in real good. Just take a good look at that right there. Ain't it a downright beautiful sight? Well, now, that's all we got time for in part 1. Y'all stick around, part 2's heading your way real soon.